Learning a new language can be a challenging, but rewarding experience. It can open up new job opportunities, help you communicate with a wider range of people, and even improve your cognitive skills. Here are some tips to help you learn a new language. Set clear goals. Determine why you want to learn the language and what you hope to achieve. This can help motivate you to stick with it and stay focused. Find a method that works for you. There are many different ways to learn a language, including taking classes, using language learning software, or immersion through travel or living abroad. Experiment with different methods to find what works best for you. Practice regularly. Consistent practice is key to language learning. Set aside dedicated practice time each day or week, and try to expose yourself to the language as much as possible through listening to music, watching movies, and speaking with native speakers. Use resources. There are many resources available to help you learn a new language, such as textbooks, language exchange websites, and tutors. Utilize these resources to supplement your learning and get extra practice. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. Making mistakes is a natural part of the learning process. Don't be discouraged by them, instead, use them as opportunities to learn and improve. Stay motivated. Learning a language can be a long-term process, so it's important to find ways to stay motivated. Surround yourself with people who are also learning the language or who speak it fluently, and celebrate your small victories along the way. In addition to these general tips, here are a few things to consider when learning a specific language. Consider the language's grammar and vocabulary. Some languages have very different grammatical structures and vocabularies than English, which can be challenging to learn. Familiarize yourself with these differences and practice regularly to improve your skills. Take advantage of cognates. Cognates are words that are similar in two languages and can make learning vocabulary easier. For example, color in English is color in Spanish and cooler in French. Learn common phrases and expressions. In addition to vocabulary, learning common phrases and expressions can help you communicate more effectively in the language. Learn about the culture. Understanding the culture of the language you're learning can help you understand why certain words and expressions are used, and give you a deeper appreciation for the language. Learning a new language takes time and dedication, but the rewards are worth it. With consistent practice and the right resources, you can achieve fluency and enjoy the benefits of being able to communicate in another language.